Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all safe and well. I don't know how many of you know, but you can actually get an undercarriage upgrade for this new release Arrow's Hobby F86 Sabre. No? Well, you can. And I've got one. And here it is. So what do we get? Comes with this nose wheel. All machined aluminium. And it's got a good old spring on it there. Here's one of the mains, again machined aluminium, sprung. This is soft foam, so like a sponge. But the nice thing here is you've got a nylock nut holding it on, holding the wheel on, unlike the ones they come with which have C-clips. So that'll be quite nice. Here's your other wheel, exactly the same as the one I've just shown you. Get these two Z bended pieces of wire. They're the struts for your mains. And they give you two little Allen keys. I don't know why you get two, and they're both the same size. I have found that these tend to slip a bit in the grommets, so I recommend you use a good quality 1.5mm hex driver rather than what they provide. I will start with the nose wheel. The wheel's actually held on by a grub screw, and then this piece here is held on by a grub screw. So all I'm going to be doing is undoing that grub screw and pulling that off. Then we take our new front gear. Get it into focus. This has a grub screw on both sides. Make sure this is up. Now this actually has a grub screw flat, so what you should actually do is make a flat on this side and a flat on that side. I'm not going to do that for this exercise. I'm just going to make sure that's pushed up as high as it will go. Drop that down onto it. I don't know if it's straight, how straight it is. And just do that bit up. We're going to do the same this side. And that's done. Made. We'll move the tank, make it easier to see. So this needs to go in its place. That goes in that way. You use this rod to represent this here. And we just drop the wheel over it, making sure it's parallel with the screw, and then we just tighten it all up. I'm going to do that now. I know you can't see anything, I just want to get one side tightened up. There we are. Tighten one side up, and then we do both of these here. Tightened up. That one's tightened up. And basically what you end up with is a wheel set of exactly the same dimensions, but you can put this in here, swing it round and lock it in, and you've now got sprung wheels instead of this. So here's my Z bend. You know, the small piece goes in this hole and it swings around this way, and the wheels need to tip back. So we just put it in this like this, and then we tighten up the grub screws. So here I've got the Z bend on it. The axle faces inwards. We'll just take this out and put this in. That's it. There we have it, a brand new set of machine and sprung main and front nose gear. These you keep or use something else. The beauty about this is they come off just as easy as this stuff did, but it gives you better, or it should give you better grass field operation. Yeah, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you on another video. Cheers.